Hi, review of my TGI tactical pants. So these are pants that are copies of other tactical pants that you get outside the country, but these are made here. Side profile, rear, again side, and front. These tactical pants are in a size 34 waist and 32 inseam. They come with button closure. They have two buttons for closure and a YKK zipper. I'm not sure of the branding, but it's got a zipper for the fly. It's got two side pockets with a coin pocket. These side pockets do not have too much space for easy entrance of the hand. As you can see, they're slightly tight. When I was buying them, I spoke to the seller. He told me to go a size down, but I am glad that I did not go a size down because they are slightly on the fitting side only. However, on the side they do have elastic on both sides for certain amount of spreading, like other tactical pants that you will find outside. The cloth is a ripstop. It's got decent thickness. I do not think that these will tear very easily. So that's a good point. On the front, it's got these three pockets, one with a zip. This is different and this is different. So this is okay for certain small items, but very narrow items only. So it's okay for narrow items. It doesn't have any amount of blousing. This pocket is even more narrow. And the rear pocket has some amount of blousing, so, but again these are narrow. They have some amount of blousing, so there is space on the inside, limited space, but again these are very narrow. Similarly on the other side also, one, two, and three. So they've gone with a three pocket design, but all pockets are very small. I would have ideally liked at least one large pocket and maybe not so many pockets, because you require to carry certain amount of things which are larger in size. I can't imagine as to what small items I'll be able to carry if I'm going to be using them for the purpose that they're made for. You require more space. So up front they've got pockets for knee pads. Similarly on the other side also. So you can insert knee pads inside. There's enough space, decent design. And then they've got this adjustment. I do not understand why this adjustment is required, because with this kind of knee pad, it doesn't require this adjustment. Maybe to tighten it, but without tightening also, I think these should be fine. Only thing is that this knee pad compartment should have been slightly lower, because when you sit down, it tends to pull up. On the sides also, they've got these two pockets. And at the base, again for tightening, they've got a Velcro here. There is double cloth at the rear. And also there is double cloth here. Even if you do not put knee pads inside, there is double cloth which will give certain amount of cushion. So the design has been copied well. However, there is a problem. In fact, there are a couple of problems. One is that the pockets are too small. Second is that the fitting is not right for whatever reason, I'm unable to raise my legs. And so if I can't run in them and be mobile and be flexible, then that is going to be a problem. You can't even stretch your, no, I can't stretch my legs also. And also these are a 34 waist and a 32 inch seam, but the length is quite short. It's short by at least about 2 inches as compared to other regular trousers which I buy of same 34, 32. I don't know how much cloth they would have saved by reducing 2 inches at the bottom. So although these do look right, I would classify them as fashion trousers more than proper tactical trousers, because I do not think I'll be able to use them for the purpose that I bought them for. Maybe if I'm going to be riding a motorcycle and want to look good, these are okay. But otherwise, the mobility which is required is just not there. I think they absolutely have to go with stretch cloth. In stretch cloth, with this amount of, or this fitting also, one is able to move freely, but here it's very difficult to move freely. And also again, the sizing has to be right. A 32 inch seam means a 32 inch seam. It can't be this short. So am I going to recommend it to you? No, I will not recommend these, because these are slightly expensive for what they're offering. Ultimately, one has to understand that these are copies, and if it's a copy and if it doesn't do what it's supposed to do right, then it should be much cheaper. Thank you.